Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to generate a spending report in Trim. Do you need a quick breakdown of where your money is going? Trim makes generating a spending report super easy. Let me show you how it's done. Start by opening the Trim app and tapping on the reports or spending summary section. You'll instantly see your total spendings for the current month broken down by categories like grocery bills, entertainment, and more. To generate a full report, all you got to do is look for the option labeled monthly reports and then download summaries or simply tap into the current month. From here, Trim gives you a detailed overview of every transaction, categorized and totaled. You can scroll through each spending categories to see exactly where your money went. Want to compare months? All you gotta do is just tap the calendar icon or you can swipe left and right to switch between months. In some versions, you can even export this data as a PDF or spreadsheet, which is perfect for budgeting, tracking trends, or for sharing with a financial advisor. That's your full spending report right at your fingertips. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to build financial insights in Trim, so be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.